Mr. Satifon na be call heaven. Wa won ti ase no wo ye.
Enti no na be ka kire mo se eye Sumahene. Abe video ma emu no wa de Asantefo no. Ese be ma bia ni kumase. E ma osa bo na agin kra kire sebe yewura opem so. Oko media na so abusia o ma be reply Sumahene. Me man kire mu no akire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Me so ase ni dem. Obe like video no that put subscribe button and click the notification and connect latest update na be kire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section so ba so. No ase first onya bia hwe. Etubakaya Friday no ana Asante Council ekohia omu last meeting of the year 2025 eme hokran Otumfuo na say tu or the nibla ekasa because na krata bi efi National House of Chief abaye say e pese sesan ono ahensem ne amamra ne amanne bia efra ahensem ho e pese sesan no na omu credit chamber bi ema Queen Mothers at the regional house of chief level say bia so omu ko sitting bia na any gathering na Queen Mother eso ebebe bi any ade emen Otumfuo e ka say no party so obi betia so no krum ono de ono no onya on sa letter no nya adwene e ma adu e baaye no enu achi no Sumahene ebe kasai na ne kasemu no ebusia obede Asantefo no an Asantefo no sori a omosi mintimi makumas enso da bia metwam kumase obi antimi nya mehwe
Asante ya America no sebre yentimi go kumase na no ya wore ya na ya kumase na okia odikare no nko ho brada nko ho ukuoda ya woda mikodi asem national house no ka akwa ni ta oni manhia ahemfie no ndam maka we ya yes January na edru time abe national house wa mi abenke mesare makoho ye nana no mbeku hu nana ni be twaneti ni e twane hwerewa sa oyo hoya obekoso aye hoya sa abere no na ye nkunimdie sa nnam kokumase na ba chimtwamti na be twam hwerewa de bia aye mother case kanina na bebe di bendimi mfanga ba bodiri hu se ba ku ba di Sumahene so na sa abana o ma e kware yenza ye nku biem ne ya nka be ma ba hu de bia de ye wa bu di pen ofifa apomba ne be pombare
ene ho no osa reply Otumfuo efa ense Otum ekae no
na enchere ye na ye te se aye Otumfuo akeka ne ho biem na se de enyo osa adufo asem ne oka na mo se regional minister JM ayi ne de na amabono a obo na djuma no benzisa no esan se omoa no ama no ni ne djuma se de a ope na se mbetna ha me bedi djuma de atisei na megitum keketna ha na manga ho hwe a na che se hufo de me ana e pese me ma ba bi owo bia otene ho ase preko pese bono mane nyone de na ondimi nyone de so da bibi bia di ho a e kire se ss ono ne kire de obedi regional minister wo bono se aboromfo yire ye mbe no a eno ne oya asem abratie ba ya odi ne djuma yi odi ne djuma pepe na se we ohene na National House of Chief ba gazette o ba wie na wa ko kuro ma ko yo traditional council meeting a o se odi police fo obedi waji ma odiko Jordan de ne na atwene mienu ne de atwami me ko ye traditional council meeting police ne odi ma chi nya se hu ndini na mon council of state abare de change na oni ma chi and this nga me ko ye traditional council meeting no police ni bia ni ma chi enti se wa ko ye traditional council meeting na ukrom asundwe wo ho sade Otumfuo akese samba basabasa ye bia ni ho ya ade ndiri wo ko ye traditional council meeting a uhia se police fo be ko jawo na che se Otumfuo asamba oka no mu ya wirem wo se asundwe wo samba basabasa bia ni ho aya de ne wo hene ne wo asiri no akọ ha akọ yo traditional council meeting e wa ahembia ohia police escort na se regional minister de mayor sa onyi a na waate no so atua mpesa ma JM oti esan se mrakwan so kora no me wakwan se mtu mampanyinfo nti se baika bibia fa regional minister ho na se obetu anabon bia fa ho a meso mafutuo ho hia nti mejira kwa we so na be de ama kwa na obefa so obeti bia se regional minister oye da juma pepe na ye peno pa bia ne asem wo bono ha ndise bi out in manim na ora ne be wa asem a ondra ne ho na so ye ndra ye hai na menim se mampanyini oyenyansani kwada offer so ye ne ma no onye nipa otutu applicant take decision enti sa asem we no oyo mframa wa aka bia keke bronya mframa babode akọ ndi members ho de be hye ho akoma bebre enye sa wa hwa na ya fa hye ikura no ya se no se medicine
the comedian as well TikTokers no aba reply Sumahene
Nana from Brimpong Nana Sumahene Kruhene asem na mekan Nana wada roma jai the oye no and fatal cry. You've been elevated to a status of a council of state member. Agrono awudie no enye. Kase free wanu mu ba no enye. Ense obi a otuma mpanifo. If indeed open numbers on the internet, there are several positive ways ubetimi enya sa numbers no on the internet. And not necessarily say ube edidi Otumfuo atem and now ube use Otumfuo as a springboard to fame. That is not the way to go. Na hima na adoma hima 25th anniversary auko ye. Ubetimi aka niema bebre afa Ghana ho a edi development beba niema edi yedie beba empatamu ho no. Other than say you just want your voice to be heard into okay then mami hide behind sub program we na mintuja emfa nkwhye Asantehene na mituja de kwhye Asantehene ba o mesenkrofo ebetenka abusuafo amutie de meka chem say in journalism ye free bibia ye friend say media blackout ebe ya amuma ne blackout mamu so no so na ye fame na uchesi enye ye pa sumdue organa yam premier hwehwe asumdue organa wo ye council of state member wo si wutu mampanyifo na we na ade tu mampanyifo de ane esenye wo ye manhene wo na represent bono na wutu mampanyifo obi a wutu mampanyifo se meba ade kasa ba kwa kan ekra anya ese national security for krasa fro wo ho krasa uba kumase da bia na Tuesday o sesen uba ba National House of Chiefs meeting na uba ehonoma National House of Chiefs baby dan sie no ene Menchia Palace no ye kwan pe ene dantamu utwa kwan no mu na ofiri ha no modru ha no mo enu nti uba honom da bia uba kumase nya de obi abetimi ayi obi a de nsa kan wa ye Ghana aban asem wo yesa we incite enkrofo omu susu free honom a omu o allegiance to Asante man se omu mra na nka omu meye obibi na obi ani honom obeba be ye obibi oba ho da bia oba na asomdue mu na okọ da bia wakodru no wo aban mu o som Ghana se uye futufo de mama mpanyin na we na ade kotu mampanyin fo panin na wagufu anye and I make an so person crofort won't internet in this way. That is not the way to go. We are minding it. Now, Babon things Otumfuo baby a oko Jumadi a oko akodie. Development in here on patam honum bebre a obetimi akasa fa ho a private development beba say crowd the nyamin child they also say a council of state member or represent area o call and the why a second call render an account ufa program no render an account of your stewardship as a representative from that region to the council of state nemu wan koye no entokwa na okoko nyina ne se upe fame e wo internet so oh amagana
na okay o di guy no nko ho brother nko ho ukuoda eya woda because they are some National House. National House, and a car party down in Penyah, I am being on them. Mark, we have yes, January. Now, every time I bear National House, me, I make a Masaramako. Yana, no, Bekunana. Maybe planet, ye planet, so I hoya, or because I hoya. Sabra no young Kunim, send them Kokumas and about Jim 20. Never come here what the Abia. I am mother case. Canina, baby, Benjamin Vanga, Baba didn't say, Baku Badi, Sumahene. Nasa Abado, my father, yes, I am good be in the air. Gaba Baba, who did the award would pay of FIFA from Bana Pepombar. The one was Piamwa. Now, I've Fashi, only a player.
Wow. This is actually the most reckless and irresponsible statement that needs to be condemned by a reasonable member of this society. We cannot continue like this as a country. How did we get here? And what exactly is he saying? What does this man get by, creating enmity between the Asante and his own people? What is he saying? See, who is in charge of security in this country? Who is in charge of national security? This statement is obviously a national security threat that need not to be condoned by any reasonable person. Who is this person anyway? And what's he saying? What do you people get by creating confusion? What is the problem? How did we get here? What exactly is the color of our problem as a country? Boko is just hanging in the air. We are not done with Boko. And instead of us to preach peace, we have empty leaders like that will just sit in one bush and spew this irresponsible. See, as to why this person has actually not been invited by national security, I don't know. Do we really understand what this man is saying? Do we really understand security? That what's he saying? That he can just sit anywhere and say whatever he feel like saying and still go to whoever he's speaking against and nothing will happen to him. Who is he daring anyway? But what this man is saying, because if people like this can just say all these things and still go to Kumasi and nothing happens to them, then you will need Papa will Kumasi. I mean, some of these people. And who is he anyway? I understand he's double as a national a council of state member. Is it true? If this is true, what kind of advice is he giving to the president? And who really voted for this person to be a national a council of state member? If it is true, what is the issue? How did we get here? And he said, painful behavior this way. I don't know why some of these chiefs in Bonoe, the only thing that makes them feel like they are men is when they spew some of these irresponsible comments against Penyah and Asantehene. What really is he saying? Why is he saying this thing now? What is the importance of what he's saying to the current situation? Would this ever bring peace? What? And why is nobody complaining? Why is nobody saying anything about this? Is that how the? So you people want to make the country ungovernable? And President Mahama, is this part of your reset agenda? That people can just sit anywhere and say whatever they feel like and go scot-free? See, people like this should not come anywhere close to leadership because this is obviously not a leader. What is he saying? That baby will not be creating confusion. I'm sure people like this are happy. So they want more. So let's not entertain some of this on video commentary. It would not ignore to the benefit. See, this will not bring anything good to this country, Ghana. The earlier we spray these characters out of this system, the better for all of us. What is it? If indeed there's somebody in charge of security in this country, then people like this should be invited. What do you get by see? Why now? This is past and gone. Why can't we allow sleeping dogs to lie? What do you get? Is it not going to bring confusion? Is it not going to bring fight? What do you get by creating, enmity between your people and Ashanti? Issue near there. What really is the color of your problem? What is wrong with us as a people? No. I think the country Ghana need to sit up, because we cannot continue to allow such irresponsible commentary to go, unattended to. What's the problem? What's he saying? Do we have leaders in this country? Say you jump in for behave and then are you people surprised when people sit behind their phones and say all manner of things? Arrest my case. There's a call. Let me just pick it and go on.
Nadek, me catch you. Unim say, what in the one say was Asantehene so what in it was Asante mine so. See. And you me catch you. Me catch you will say what the was ba Asantehene so how do was ma ba Asante mine so. Enti gina ye because ye dodo. Ye dodo. Enti no mo de sabi mu panyini bia no na mo sorry a na mo afa camera na mo kan se hunu no mo hwe yie wa fa fofora enye menhyi aboboa no de me di jamo no
Chere wa adwe ma me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!